Hi, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a stand for your phone. If you want to record a video, you want to mount on a tripod your phone, so you can use this type of tool or device to connect your phone. It's very high quality product in this case. Price would be different places. Okay, price could be $5 to $10 or euro. So let me unpack this one. I take this off from here and I'm taking out. Here we go. You see how it is, the product here. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let me explain you. Here you have double lock. Here you have one more, so you can mount on your tripod. This side, also this side you can mount, so you can use both way. And here this one is for tight, so I tight this one so it will not move. And this side, losing this one, is getting bigger here. And I put my phone little bit more. We need space. You see how bigger it can be. Yeah, a little bit more bigger. Here you have some grip here, rubberized both sides, not to damage your phone. More bigger we need. As this, here we go. Now it's perfect. And now you can tie this one according to your phone. Lovely, you see how it is, how it's strong. You can hold your phone, lovely. Here this one, you can rotate your phone with this. So rotate any direction if you want. This way, for example, this way. You can rotate any direction, angle as you want. I tie it here and let me unlock my phone and go to camera app. Here we go. So you can record anything from your phone. Very lovely, handy tool, guys. To release would be very easy. You can loose from here. Take out your phone, lovely. See here how it is mounted on the tripod. You see the stand, how you can mount to making your video, your shot. You can move every direction you like. Good grip it has. Wow, beautiful, lovely in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.